So you want to know how to exactly make an appointment at social security offices? Well, this one is really easy, but there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the thing with making appointments here in at social security offices, you need to guarantee that you actually need one. In some cases, some interactions or some processes doesn't require any appointments, but in some cases, if you're not sure if you really need one, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to visit the official website. It's going to be ssa.gov. Now, right here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option that says make an appointment on their services. Now, like what I said before, there are different processes and appointments that you can make in here, and usually these are the common processes that requires you to have any appointments. So, for example, applying for benefits, getting your get or replace your social security card, update contact information, and a lot more. Now, again, if you're not sure, you can go and just click on answer a few questions here and basically answer a few questions to really know if you really need one or if you really need an appointment for your case. But if you're sure that you need one appointment, like for example, you want to apply for benefits, you can just click on the following options here, apply for benefits. And from here, it should give you a few questions that you need to answer in order for you to basically learn how to apply. Again, depending on your situation, you'll have different options to apply. The process may be different, so you may need to fill out some details about yourself, but that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.